hear you say that you only want me.
Hi, welcome to Southern Mom Life. Today we're doing a teriyaki stir fry. Let's get on into this.
You came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel, and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky, and the heart of the moon.
So right here it is 4 cups of water to 2 cups of rice, and I'm getting the water.
If I could live all my life tonight, when I live on the road, I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Don't need to tell you, you see it in my eyes. I wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky, and the heart of the moon.
Let the rice rumble for 25 minutes, and you're going to turn off the heat and let it stand for 10 minutes, and you've got perfectly cooked rice. Let me know down below what are your favorite dishes to cook for your family. We have a family of 5, so whenever I cook, I have to keep in mind that if we're going to have leftovers, I need to make a large quantity. And this is not a hard meal. This is a very easy meal. It's a very cheap meal, and it always gets it done in a hurry. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, if this is something that you like. And yeah, let's get back into this.
That you only want me. That you only want me. If I could live all my life tonight, when I live on the road, I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. I wanna stay by your side, yeah, I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Some kind of magic, you came into my life, and with that bedhead, you give me falling twice. Yeah, you're an angel, and always on my mind. I wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky, and the heart of the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, when I live on the road.
A good substitute for this garlic roasted tomato is just regular garlic if you don't have it. So just keep that in mind.
I'm never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. Don't need to tell you, you see it in my eyes. I wanna wanna travel, let's drive into the sunrise. Where your heart is where I wanna lie. Just wanna love you like I do on my own. Yeah, this is what it's about when it's just you and I, and the stars in the sky and the heart on the motor. It's so much better off alone. If I could live all my life tonight, we're living on the road, I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. 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 If I could live all my life tonight, we're living on the road, I wouldn't die, 'cause there's nothing I want more. I wanna stay by your side, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of. I wanna hear you say that you only want me. That you only want me. I wanna stay by your side, never gonna let you go. Tell me I'm the one you're thinking of.
That concludes the rest of this video. As you can tell, my family is enjoying it. My 1-year-old is having at it, and my daughter is finger licking good, as we say down here in the South. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, because I always love feedback, and I will see you guys in the next one.
With that bed, you give me